It's Christina Smekens here to talk about one of my favorite topics, the 6 traits of writing. And today, I want to talk about the trait of presentation. This trait targets the overall look or appearance of the writing. It's the neatness of penmanship, handwriting, cursive print, and even letter formation. But it carries over into digital writing as well, like font choice, color choice, the use of margins, and formatting. Now, presentation is not the 7th trait. It's the +1. There are 6 traits that target the content of the message, the overall meaning or expression of ideas. But the trait of presentation, that's the prettiness trait. How pretty is it to look at? It can look ugly, but have strong message and content. It can also look pretty and lack content. There are 6 traits that target the quality of the message, and then presentation is the +1.